Did you know that the secret to a thriving indoor plant isn't just watering or sunlight, it's placement? Meet the ZZ plant, one of the toughest houseplants in the world, capable of surviving almost anywhere. But even this resilient plant thrives when placed correctly. Today, I'll show you exactly where to put your ZZ plant so it grows faster, stays healthy, and looks stunning in your home. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious living room, these placement hacks will change your plant game forever. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know the perfect spots for your ZZ plant and a few insider tricks to keep it lush and glossy year-round. Don't miss tip number 5. It's a simple hack most people completely overlook. Tip 1. Light matters. Find the sweet spot. ZZ plants are famous for being low-light warriors, but that doesn't mean they'll flourish in complete darkness. Think of light as their energy drink. It keeps the leaves shiny and the stems strong. The best spot? Bright, indirect light. North-facing windows are perfect, while east-facing windows work well for morning sunlight. Avoid direct afternoon sun. It can scorch those beautiful waxy leaves. Low-light corners like offices, bedrooms, or hallways are fine, but keep in mind growth will slow down. A trick: rotate your ZZ plant every few weeks so all sides receive light evenly. This keeps it balanced and prevents leaning. And don't stress if your home isn't flooded with sunlight. A ZZ plant can survive in moderate light areas, making it perfect for almost any room. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Keep it comfy. Just like us, ZZ plants love a cozy environment. They thrive in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near air conditioners, heaters, or drafty windows. Sudden temperature changes can shock the plant and cause drooping leaves. When it comes to humidity, ZZ plants are forgiving. They're not fussy like ferns. Average home humidity is perfect. However, if your room is extremely dry, especially in winter, you can occasionally mist the leaves to keep them glossy. A small tip: grouping your ZZ plant near other plants can naturally increase humidity, creating a happy little indoor jungle. Remember, comfort equals growth, and your ZZ plant will reward you with vibrant green leaves when it's in the right environment. Tip 3. Floor versus elevated surfaces. Style meets function. Where you place your ZZ plant in your home can dramatically change both aesthetics and plant health. Larger ZZ plants look striking on the floor, perfect for living rooms, hallways, or corners that need a pop of green. Smaller ZZ plants shine on tables, shelves, or desks, adding life without taking up too much space. But here's a pro tip: make sure your plant has enough breathing room. Don't crowd it with furniture or other objects. Leaves need space to grow and expand. A minimalist decorative pot not only looks chic, but also gives your ZZ plant stability. Remember, placement isn't just about function, it's about showcasing your plant as living decor. A well-placed ZZ plant can instantly elevate the vibe of any room. Tip 4. Grouping and aesthetics. Make a statement. ZZ plants aren't just greenery, they're living sculptures. To create a striking indoor garden, consider grouping your ZZ plant with other low-maintenance plants like snake plants or pothos. Arrange plants at varying heights to create depth in a lush, layered effect. Decorative pots can add contrast. Think matte black, white ceramic, or vibrant colors that pop against your walls. Placement near furniture works wonders. A ZZ plant next to a couch, bookshelf, or window creates a natural focal point. Pro tip: use trays or plant stands to elevate smaller plants. This adds dimension and makes your greenery look professionally styled. A beautifully arranged ZZ plant display can be a conversation starter while keeping your home vibrant and fresh. Tip 5. Practical placement hacks. The insider secrets. Here's the tip most people overlook. ZZ plants thrive not just with light, but with consistency. Avoid moving your plant frequently. It likes routine. Rotate it occasionally for even growth, but don't chase sunlight from room to room. Also, make sure the pot has drainage. Even though ZZ plants tolerate low water, soggy soil can rot roots quickly. Another hack: place your ZZ plant near natural light sources, but not directly in front of windows with harsh sun. Corners, side tables, or open shelves near windows are perfect. Bonus tip: if you have pets, ZZ plants are toxic, so keep them up high or out of reach. Follow these hacks and your ZZ plant will stay glossy, healthy, and continue to be a low-maintenance superstar in your home. Remember, placement is everything. Master this and your plant will thrive. And there you have it, 5 simple but powerful ways to make your ZZ plant thrive at home. From finding the perfect light, keeping it comfy, choosing the right spot, creating a stunning display, to those insider placement hacks most people don't know. Remember, your ZZ plant isn't just a decoration, it's a living companion that rewards care and smart placement with glossy, vibrant leaves that bring life to any room. Even if you're new to houseplants, following these tips will make your home greener, fresher, and more inviting. If you try any of these placement tips, comment below and let me know how your ZZ plant responds. I'd love to see your indoor jungle. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more plant care hacks, home decor tips, and low-maintenance plant ideas. Finally, share this video with your friends or family who love indoor plants. They'll thank you when their ZZ plants start thriving too. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right placement can turn any ZZ plant from ordinary to extraordinary. Keep growing, keep thriving, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, the right placement can turn any ZZ plant from ordinary to extraordinary. Keep growing, keep thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.